Hey guys, in this video is going to be checking out the SPTA 12V Micro Cordless Swirl Killer Car Polisher checking by right now. In terms of quality, these are all kinds of customer reviews and price reductions. I have reviewed this SPTA 12V Micro Cordless Swirl Killer Car Polisher, based on personal opinion by verifying the market value. If the product you mentioned has more information and an updated price, it needs to be linked in the description below. Okay, so start. The SPTA 12V Micro Cordless Swirl Killer Car Polisher is a small-sized paint correction tool that has been specially designed to be mobile and lightweight to provide detailing freedom. SPTA 12V Micro Cordless Swirl Killer Car Polisher features a rotary. Unlike other polishing machines, this product can be operated with one hand. Because of its ergonomic design, this battery polishing machine is very suitable for hand use. And its volume is not heavy, it will be easy to use. You're looking for a 1-inch or 2-inch? This has a 1-inch pad, to do tight areas on the car, especially the motorcycles. So right away, nice case of this box, nice little carry case, generic. Each product comes with 2 batteries and a battery charger. It only takes 22 to 24 minutes to charge the battery, and each charge allows you to run for 30 minutes under full load. These 2 battery packs allow you to use one of them in the tool and charge the other, so you don't have to worry about the battery running out of power. At the same time, the cordless charged polishing machine also solves the problem of plugging in, even if it is out of the door. SPTA 12V Micro Cordless Swirl Killer, car polishing tasks and tight areas of paint correction on a standard size vehicle on 1 battery. SPTA 12V Micro removes the mess from your garage when polishing and cuts the need to have an extension cord. Pretty impressed with this little polisher for $200, and all the pads comes with it and the batteries. Use this one right out of the box that using here and play with this thing 30 minutes, or on and off, and did not run out of power and notice the to charge. It is about 40-45 minutes to get to a full charge. It did a great job. This works great in areas like behind the forks. On the front fender you polish the chrome around the headlight shroud there. It worked great, able to get out a lot of the micro marring with the 3D one. When using it, directly adjust the switch button to the right. The plus and signs on the machine can be adjusted according to your own use. The head of the machine is made of metal, and the fine workmanship allows the user to have a better feel, and the machine can be polished better. And can help you clean hard to reach areas, such as paint areas, headlights, edges and so on. The whole set of products is packaged in scent, with exquisite packaging and easy to carry out. Precautions for use. Make sure that the machine is not tilted during the polishing process, this could damage the bearings. Never operate the machine with excessive pressure, it should be about half a kilogram, including the weight of the machine. Protect the machine from contamination by varnish, water, oil and other liquids. Store this machine in a cool, dry, frost-free place. Can be used for large area of pneumatic or electric polishing machine. Used for automobile polishing and improves the gloss of the paint surface. Used for all kinds of coat paint waxing, polishing and sealing glaze, improving lightness. Can be used on rotary polisher, dual action polisher and air sander. High quality foam pads can polishing more than 20 cars. The Velcro on the back is tightly glued to the body of the polishing pad, so that it will not be thrown out even if polished at high speed. Used for car, boat, floor polishing. Different color polishing pads have different polishing effects.